Alright, August 15th, 2009. Getting ready to start the screws for next winter. 34 degrees. Nice day. Give her shit. Start her up. Bye. Switchback. Cold start. Yeah. Alright. Now we gotta get that going over there. That's our next project, eh?
Yeah, I suppose.
Lift her up and show them what we got done to her by. The bottom tore off her last year. We're gonna get her going again next year though, for next winter, eh? Think so?
Yeah, just show them the bottom. Show them slides.
Show them slides. Alright. As you can see, no slide rails whatsoever. Right here. On the ground. And the other one is right here. So yeah. No slides. Pull over a few times, see if we get her going. Just for fun. I don't know, man.
Probably the gas too, what?
Probably the gas. Yes, bye. Oh, that's our next project. Get this going. Put slide rails back on, right? Yes, bye.
I think she might can it too.
Can try. Never know.
Too hot, but anyway.
It's too hot, but it's 30 degrees. Scorcher. Nice day, anyway. Well, let's tighten up chain on the dirt bike, I guess. Hey?
Yep.
Get her going. Alright. Well, we got switchback going anyway. Without a hitch. Should be 2008. She knew. That's a 87. That's 2008. Fun times. Next winter. Hey?
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Alright, we got a few clips from last winter, the 340. Going in this hole over here. There's a big mud hole in the winter, well, late winter. But we got a clip that we should put on for you. And then we'll have a whole bunch of clips next winter for you. Sound good?
Yeah.
Yes, bye. Yes, bye.
Hopefully, I hope that you're gonna like what we're gonna film next winter. Right.
Anyway, we'll have a few clips for you next winter. Hope you like them. Wait till then. See you later.
Peace out.